Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About x, I will put 2x minus x. About negative 3x, we can put negative x, negative 2x. So we can do about factorization by x. This one by number 2. This one by x. This one by negative number 2. Now we can do about factorization by x minus number 1. Similar for the second one. Now we simplify x minus 1 on numerator and denominator. Now we can put number 1 gone here and here. And we have negative number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.